Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best beginner table saws that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the DeWalt DWE7485 Compact Table Saw. This saw has a compact and portable design, which is exactly what a beginner needs because it doesn't take up as much space as those professional table saws found at job sites. You've got an impressive rip capacity of 24.5 inches and a depth of cut of 2 to 9/16 of an inch, which means cutting a 4x8 plywood will not be an issue for a first-timer. Another great feature for entry-level woodworking is the telescoping fence with a flip-over ledge, which will make sure you make accurate cuts on both narrow and wide workpieces. But there's a possibility that you may receive a model that would not square to the blade, which can be challenging for a beginner to set up. Moving on at number 4, we have the DeWalt DW745 10-inch table saw. The saw has a unique modular guarding system, which is a great feature for application-specific setups for making quick and accurate cuts. This model comes equipped with a telescoping fence, which is extremely easy for a beginner to make adjustments and eliminate the risk of making inaccurate cuts. Another great feature that comes with the DeWalt DW745 is the overload protection system, which helps maintain consistent performance when cutting frozen, wet, or hardwood. But the thing is, the saw may not be properly set up out of the box. You might need to properly align the blade to the miter slots as well as the fence. At number 3, we have the Bosch 1010 table saw. This saw has a portable design and a unique rolling wheel stand, which is a great combination because it offers great mobility and single-action takedown. The Bosch 4110 features the brand's flagship square lock rip fence that you can easily and quickly adjust with just one hand. Another great feature for entry-level woodworkers is the Smart Guard system, which not only shields the blade but it is also transparent for added visibility and protection. The table saw, however, tends to get easily bunged up with fine particles of wood. This can easily affect how the saw works. At number 2, we have the Bosch GTS1031 Table Saw. This table saw combines unmatched portability with high performance and durability to create an easy-to-transport tool that's as easy to move as it is to use. The saw comes equipped with a self-aligning square lock rip fence, which is a great feature because it assures precise, effortless cuts for entry-level woodworkers. Another good addition is the portable tabletop, which expands to a category leading 18-inch rip capacity for everything from rough framing to smaller dimension sheets. The main challenge a beginner could experience with this model is the poor quality of the wrench that is provided for unscrewing the arbor nut when changing the blade. And finally at number 1, we have the Skilsaw SPT70WT01 portable table saw. The saw is operated by a powerful 15-amp motor, which is a great feature because it delivers an impressive no-load RPM of 5,300 for all your entry-level ripping and cutting projects. It comes equipped with a die-cast aluminum tabletop and all-steel roll cage, both of which can withstand repeated use in extreme temperatures. I really appreciate the self-aligning rip fence that comes with the Skilsaw SPT70WT01. Considering how it stays parallel to the blade once aligned. But the thing is, adjusting the blade to make it parallel to the miter slots may be a challenge for some beginner woodworkers.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.